Okay, this is John. Recently I've watched YouTube videos, and since September there's been all these strange noises coming all around the world, and one person suggested it was sounding of the trumpets from in the Bible, saying that the end is very, very near. So, and I think I'm hearing it right now, so I'm going to see if we can. I can hear it. I can hear it clearly. Can you hear it? I can hear it playing now. But the other sound doesn't sound like a plane, it's just a straight just constant. I've been hearing it since, what time is it right now? I think it's like 9 or 10. I've been hearing it since 6. Look it up on YouTube, strange sounds all around the world.